over the proceedings in the YSL Rico trial against rapper Young Thug and the other alleged gang members.
And this comes after the previous judge was removed. According to the Fulton County Clerk's office, Judge Shakira Ingram will take over the case. She has served on the Superior Court of Fulton County.
Judge Glanville, his job should have been on the line. Not just him off this case. He made the state of Georgia look bad. They had to throw a judge off the case and get a new one. Because he had something against Thug. Ain't no way he didn't have nothing against Thug. Ain't no way. Should have been a mistrial a long time ago. But it didn't. He should have been recused and off the stand long time ago. But it didn't happen. But now, it's on. Get Thug his fair shake. I don't want no dog in the fight, but give him his fair shake. Let's get into this.
Nigga kill over a bitch, but let a rat keep his wife.
County Chief Superior Court Judge Glanville has been removed from this case. Attorneys for Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, and Amani Kendrick have asked for Glanville to be removed from the case because of an ex parte meeting between Judge Glanville, prosecutors, and state witnesses without the defense being present. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Rachel Krause ruled that Judge Glanville could continue presiding fairly over the case, but he needed to be removed to preserve the public's confidence in the judicial system. There's no word yet on who will take over the case or when that trial will resume.
We now know the name of the judge who's going to take over the proceedings in the YSL Rico trial against rapper Young Thug and the other alleged gang members.
And this comes after the previous judge was removed. According to the Fulton County Clerk's office, Judge Shakira Ingram will take over the case. She has served on the Superior Court of Fulton County since 2018. Now today, a Fulton County Superior Court judge removed Judge Glanville from the case following complaints about a private meeting held last month. Judge Glanville, prosecutors and a witness were in attendance, but defense attorneys were not, which led to calls for the judge to recuse himself. The judge who ruled on his removal said today that she believes Glanville likely would have continued to preside fairly over the case, but this has to be done to preserve the public's confidence in the judicial system.
Judge Glanville have been recused. He should have recused himself out of everything he was doing. The secret meeting, didn't let Brian Steele know anything about it. He ain't let Brian Steele know nothing. So that right there, it showed dirty tactics. Like y'all trying to hang Thug. Hook him and book him. Nah. We not going like that though. We not going like that. Thug deserve a fair shake like anybody else. So y'all know not too long ago, Judge Glanville, he had a secret meeting. Brian Steele wasn't invited. He knew nothing about it, so he know nothing that was said. It's not allegations. This is the truth. These are facts. That's why the judge is off this case. Brian Steele brought it to him that he had a meeting and the judge wanted him to snitch on. How do you know? How do you know what was said? Who told you this? Brian Steele, I ain't telling you who told me, but you need to get yourself off this case. Long story short, judge get mad. He hit Brian Steele with 20 days in jail that he had to serve on the weekends. That didn't hold up. They filed a motion. Brian Steele lawyer got up there and cooked Judge Glanville. His lawyer got up there and cooked him. So when you look at this Thug case, me personally, I ain't got no dog in the fight. I'm not a Young Thug fan or none of that. But when you got the judicial system doing what they doing, I ain't got no choice but to root for the nigga. Get him on up out of there. He's gonna beat this case. Y'all see Shakira Ingram is the new judge to this case. Brian Steele had moved for the judge to be dismissed off this case a few times, and he moved for mistrial, which a mistrial should have been granted long time ago. That's how you know this is dirty, and they got it out for Thug. Yeah, so that's just how I feel. Now, when it come to Judge Glanville, he didn't recuse himself because it wouldn't have been nothing but an embarrassment to him. That's what I think. But you embarrassed you just got embarrassed anyway. Everything he was doing, I even seen them do little signals, him and the prosecutor, back and forth. That made its way around the internet. If it wasn't for the internet, a lot of things for us to judge and see and critique, it wouldn't be there. And Thug wouldn't have a fair shake. So thank you for social media for showing all the wrongdoing they be doing in court and letting it be televised through the YouTube live, because every time it's court, it's somebody in there, news stations, bloggers, they in there with their cameras and they got it going. So we get to see what's going on, and we got to see a little bit of corruption at its finest in the courtroom. But y'all leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about this Young Thug Rico case. I think Thug coming home. This one of the longer cases in Georgia history. Just think about it. Two big cases. You got this Rico case with Thug, and then they did have a case with Donald Trump. Two major cases in Georgia. And they both just crumbling right before their eyes. They not getting what they want out the ordeal. Georgia State is not getting what they want out this ordeal. But y'all leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. In the description is the Facebook, the Instagram, the Cash App. If you rocking with the content, you know what to do. I'll be back with another one. But y'all make sure you hit the like button right now. Hit the subscribe button. I'm just trying to beat the odds and you can help me. Why wouldn't you want to help me? Huh? Appreciate you.